loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Winnie Jean, and today I'm going to show you guys how I put on this super cute headband wig. The unit is super inexpensive. I'll have the link to it down below in the description bar, and if you want to see how I applied it, then let's get into the video.
You want a supermodel pose like my real friend Wynne?
Okay, so my hair is in these braids already, and I did my baby hairs this morning before I did my makeup. Am I the only person who can't do my baby hairs after I do my makeup? Like, I hate when I get makeup in my baby hairs. So I'll like do my baby hairs, put my scarf on, do my makeup, then take my scarf off. And you gotta make sure the edges is laid, you know what I'm saying? It's the swirls for me. So today we're gonna be trying something a little bit new. I'm low-key scared, but I'm also excited because if I end up liking it, I'm gonna be shook, to be honest. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you know that I actually created my own headband wig not too long ago. It was big and it was curly. I really liked it. I'll go ahead and add a card here if you guys want to see it. I don't know what side it's gonna be on. I really ended up liking it, but it was synthetic hair, so I can't really wear it as often or like to the gym and stuff because I don't want to have to like wash it. Today's video is sponsored by UNice. They sent me this unit. This is a 14-inch curly headband wig from UNice, and it's in 150% density. All the details will be down below in the description bar for you guys to check it out as well, and it's super inexpensive, so you have to go and get you one. So I washed it, conditioned it, and the curls are really cute because I never like to install my wigs like just fresh out the box. I feel like they look better and like the hair performs better after you wash it. But you know what these wigs remind me of? They remind me of like a more sophisticated version of just a half wig. So I was thinking I wanted to put this wig on, but I also want to like see if I can spice it up a little bit because I'm not really a headband girl. So I want to see if I can create like some sort of like custom like braided situation so it looks really like natural and cute. But let's just get into it. Let's just get started and see where we, you know, see what happens from there. So the unit comes with these adjustable straps in the back. So I've already adjusted them and I have it relatively tight. So let me just show y'all. So yeah, it comes like this in the back, and it has one comb at the bottom, one on either side, and one here in the middle. So it'll be nice and secure. For the headband portion, it's like a black spandex headband, but you can't see any weft here. So it's like a built-in headband. And then this in the back is adjustable as well. So let's get my hair together first. I have it in these braids that y'all have probably seen 100 times if you've been to my channel before. I just like to wear my hair in these braids because I can put my wigs and my locks on top of them, which is like the bee's knees. So in order for it to lay flat, I don't want to have it in like a ponytail in the back. So what I'm gonna do is I just put my wig cap on, and then I grab this side and swing it over here. And then I grab this side and swing it over here. And it keeps everything relatively smooth. And honestly, because this is a curly wig, I don't think it's really gonna matter, but for the sake of saying we did what we were supposed to do, I'ma just do what we supposed to do. I'ma give what it's supposed to give. And I'm just kind of making sure everything is tucked in nice. I don't want it to be like bulky at the top. All right. This is where we at with it. I'm actually gonna drag it back a little bit just because I don't want that tan part showing. This is what our wig cap is giving, okay? So I'm gonna start with the back comb. I just always start with the back comb because if I don't, then I end up with my wig on crooked. Let's pop her on, see what it's talking about. Okay. I'm just gonna kind of put that top comb in. I try not to do too much with the combs because they can be uncomfortable after a while, but these actually aren't bad. It may be a little too far up. I need to give a little more edge, a little more baby hair. And then I'm just gonna use the Velcro on here to attach this. I bet you can get away with wearing this in a bun, honestly. I'm not mad at it. Okay, this is cute. Honestly, I could wear it just like this, but I need a little more shape, so I need my scissors. Let me get them. Okay, so I'm not about to try and make it like perfect, but I want to add some layers to give it a little more volume. So let's trim her up a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna get some water so we can define these curls. I just want to kind of dampen it so I can add a little bit of this extreme gel. I would normally use a mousse, but this is all I have with me right now. So let's see. I feel like it'll work. So I'm just gonna scrunch a little bit of gel through it. Give her a little definition on. I really like this as is. I feel like it looks really natural. Do we like it? Do we like this? Okay. Y'all about to have me in these headband wigs. I've been talking about y'all. I can't join the crew. Yeah, let's see how this goes. It just looks like a fluffy headband. I like it better by itself. Yeah, I feel like this doesn't need a headband. Did UNice just do something? Yeah, so I definitely was doing too much, and it's fine as it is. I really like it, and the curls look super pretty. So I'm gonna actually just leave this alone. It's a yes for me. I feel like it looks really natural, and I think like if I went to the store and I had my hair like this, like no one would think twice about it. All right, so I guess this is the finished look. Literally took like 2 minutes. I love that. I'm thinking Carla for her. Comment down below what you think I should name this wig. We have to name her. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. It was super easy, quick, straight to the point. I have a coupon code down below for this wig if you want to go and check it out. I'll see you guys in my next video. Like this video if you like this video. Thank you again, UNice, for working with me. It's gorgeous. It's easy to apply. It was easy to wash. It dried really fast. The curls are pretty. I'm sold. I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Bye.